Too many solids clogging your outlet pipe? You gotta get ahead of it with an effluent filter and some regular cleaning. So, first off, an effluent filter is your best friend here. It catches all the big chunks before they mess up your system. Then, you definitely want to clean that filter on the regular, like every few months, so it doesn't get gunked up and stop working. If you wait too long, the solids build up and cause backups, which is a total pain. Also, keep an eye on what's going down the drain. Avoid flushing stuff that's not meant for your septic or plumbing system. Another tip is to make sure the outlet pipe is installed properly with the right slope, so water flows smoothly and solids don't settle in. If you notice slow drainage or weird smells, check that filter first. And hey, if cleaning the filter feels like a hassle, set a reminder on your phone so you won't forget. Trust me, little steps like these save you from big clogs and costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet pipe clogs is skipping the effluent filter altogether, which lets solids flow right through and cause blockages down the line. Fix this by installing a quality filter and sticking to a cleaning schedule. Another common problem is not cleaning the filter often enough. When it's clogged, water backs up and smells get nasty. Just clean it every few months or when you notice slow drainage to keep things flowing. Lastly, improper installation of the outlet pipe can cause solids to settle and block the system. Make sure the pipe has the correct angle, and if you're unsure, get a pro to check it out so you don't end up with a mess. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners dealing with issues like clogged outlet pipes. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.